Sunrise Boss Production.
Pray nothing punch on my bike. Yeah, kid. So they are right through one look shortcut through the bush, but full of stone. I'm not going to push the bicycle through. Don't want to punch on the bicycle. The wheel them fine. The wheel them be bigger. So I just ride it through. Yeah. Fully active, man. You lift up the bicycle and go through. Reach out on the road here now. Fully active. Shortcut not too long. Yeah man. Yeah man, shortcut. It's a little shortcut. You see pre. Reach out on the road here now. Guess I'm going down the road here now. Yes, I fully active. Go up on the sidewalk. Go up on the sidewalk, my peeps. Ride on the sidewalk, you know, when I ride on the road. Now come over here, come get lit down. Oopsie. Yo, we say the bicycle wheel fine, the bicycle wheel fine. Yo, bicycle wheel fine, peeps. So I have to know when I put it. Everything active out on the road. Alright. Yeah, I'm fully active, man. Sunrise Boss Production. Look at the little car. A white name. I'll be a small car over here. Oh. Yeah, say church there. See somebody else ride bicycle too, man. Yeah man. Oops. Yeah man. So I'm going over here, babes. Do some riding, man. Rasta over here, so not it yard. Black stall. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, everything active. Oh, that man always a beg me $1. See me can catch a clip with him. Yeah, man. There, man, everything active.
Man, really good.
Yeah, man.
What's the dog?
Yeah, man. Not at all, man.
Oh,
Locks.
You mean locks, eh?
Yeah, locks
Man,
stall.
I get locks, man, locks from long time.
Yeah,
I
man.
think, yeah, long time, man.
In a real life.
Yeah, man, that's real life, you know, that's real thing, you know, this ain't no joke thing, you know.
No joke thing.
This ain't no joke. You Jamaican, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's what he's saying. You don't know she was long like that, eh?
No, well, to be honest, I don't see none of Jamaica long, so I think our man down there named Moko.
Alright.
I think Moko locks long like this.
Yeah. I cut it, you know, it's longer than this, you know. Eh? It was like from here over there, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, I had to cut. It's too long, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, too long.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, too long, you see?
See that peeps in a real life.
Yeah, man, this real life, this real thing, man. This ain't no joke thing, you know.
No
You see
joke
man,
thing.
You see some people look at some man and judge some man, you know. You hear what I'm saying? Yeah, man, they look at some man and judge some man, you know. You can't look at no one and judge them, you know.
Yeah.
You know where you're getting up, you know.
That's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
You see what I saying? Playing with this judge, you want to look at you looking this and that. You fucking buy me anything.
Yeah, you
Buy
can't
me a
judge
fuck, boy.
people, yeah, man.
Yeah, that's that. But don't worry about them, man. They time coming.
Yeah, yeah.
They time coming. One day they time coming.
One day the time coming.
Yeah, you see?
A real pre, man.
Real life, man. This real thing, you know. See ya?
Yeah, man.
I use this as a belt, you know.
Oh, you use the locks as a belt.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah,
a
man.
long time ago, you see.
Yeah, man.
Send it around, you see. Send it around, send it worldwide.
Yeah, man.
You see what I say?
Worldwide, man.
Worldwide. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. In a
Worldwide.
real life, man.
Real thing, you know.
Real thing.
Man, real thing. Real people do real things, man. Yeah,
Yeah, man.
say, real people do real things, man.
Yeah.
Real people do real things, man.
Yeah, boss, just wrap you up. Yeah, man. First, I see one locks are really long. Moko locks long, but I think I never see Moko pull out film locks. I see it on camera.
Yeah,
But I see that
yeah.
one in a real life.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And Father God make it happen where I ride past. Yes, so this morning, I could I ride the next side. But yes, so I ride the Z3. Yeah, man. The boss are $2 same way. Because you don't know things set. Easy. Yeah, man, this one come over here ride peeps. Man, give boss a $2. So you don't know. That's so go.
Hey, don't worry, you know. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. Hey, go out and play, you know.
Yeah.
Water's 11 king and go out, you know.
Yeah,
hey,
man.
you see what I saying? Watch out.
See,
Hey, hey.
in Jamaica we say it's seal.
Oh, seal, eh?
Yeah, man, it's seal up, man.
Seal up, you seal up. You know, too,
Yeah,
sometimes
man.
you don't really want to walk around with me here because it's too long.
Yeah.
Like, say, if I go certain places, like in the bush or I go someplace,
Yeah.
you know, I don't want to get tangled up or nothing, you know what I mean? Because that's why it's have a, you know, we
Yeah,
have to have
yeah.
a tie up.
Have
We
to.
have to have a tie up all the time.
Yeah.
You see what I saying? All the time we have to have a tie up. Say we go climb the tree, I gotta make sure she tie up good, chop some of them, do this, do that, do that.
Do that,
You know what I
yeah.
mean? And all these things.
Yeah.
But I never been in Jamaica and everything, but I hear some things and I listen to all the songs them and everything. You see what I saying?
Yeah.
I used to make medicine, I used the best, I used one of the greatest.
Yeah.
Don't mind me.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
mind me smoking or everything, babe.
No, yeah, man.
But like I tell you, we can
Fully
get together, you know.
active. Yeah, man.
Hey, Yari, we can get together, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I tell you, yeah. My uncle has been over here too, boy. Fucking, what the fuck, yeah.
Yeah, man.
But timing, you know.
Time, that's how we do it in Jamaica, peeps.
Send it around, man.
Just wrap it up.
Yeah, wrap it up. Make sure it wrap up and make
Yeah,
sure it, you know, make sure you see.
Yeah.
Make sure you see. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you see.
And you know, so as I'm saying, why I wrap it up so cause you don't know fully active yardman style. If you are going in the bush, you chop some stick, you don't want it to knock up and you know them way there. Yes, so you just wrap it up and just keep it up decent. Yeah, man. Yeah,
You
man.
tell me, man, the timing, everything,
Yeah,
the
man.
timing, you know.
Yeah, my father is a Rasta, you know, but my father Rasta tall as you earn.
Alright.
Because he mixed with Indian, so his ear keep on
Yeah,
falling.
I mix with Indian. I mix with Indian. I get Indian blood.
Yeah.
I get Indian blood. My grandma, she from Exuma and Long Island. She got big house in Exuma. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mix with Indian, and you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And Italian, like you know, like we mix breed. We separate. Our
Yeah.
family separate from all our ancestors. Separate from Africa,
Yeah.
Ethiopia, Africa. They separate us.
Yeah.
Because if they don't separate us, we'd have been together right now.
True.
We'd have been together. We this whole continent have been in one. You hear what I telling you? Speak your mind and hold your peace. But
Yeah, man. I real talk, peeps. Speak your mind and hold your peace. Yeah, man. Fully active, man. Yeah, man. Just there I go on.
Yes, I.
Beta. CP. Yeah, man. I know say this is a Bahamas beer. Yeah, man. Fully. Yeah, man. So there I go and hold it.
Yeah, but that's the best thing to do, boy. Daddy,
Yeah.
when you finish, on a bless me $1 more, please, if you go to this.
No, I don't think I can do anything. Everything, yeah, man.
Everything good otherwise.
Yeah,
If
man.
we can get together, you know the Belgian boy did today, right?
Yeah,
And
man.
one of my other Belgian boy did it on the 31st. In December too. Me, my brother, and my sister.
Today is a strong.
No, Nesto.
Oh yeah, that's I'm going.
Nesto and the next Jamaican nigga.
Yeah.
Two they boy on the 31st.
Yeah, this is for Nesta.
Alright,
Yeah,
alright.
I
He right
don't
now,
know.
that's him, that's not true. I get some medicine.
Yeah.
True, I just walk, I see my mind up some girls and me walk in a piece of it, just start with them.
Yeah.
Hey, come on, listen to me, I can't give everyone because I ain't rich and I ain't no millionaire. So I gotta try to get my little herb,
Nah, no, do the
try to get
stuff.
my little drinks, try to get my little food.
Yeah.
But I get on Prince Charles for a little bit, I ain't gonna mail you later, you gonna be there all day?
Yeah, man. Me
All
I
day?
bring. Yeah, man. I bring out even a bottle of coconut rum so we can
Alright,
drink.
yeah,
later.
alright
So
then.
we're gonna
Alright,
be
but I
there.
saying, what time it is?
Okay, it's just 1 minute to 12.
1 minute to 12, alright. True, I will try to see if I can. Try to see if I can walk on Prince Charles, check my brethren,
Yeah.
see if you there. I can chill out there for a little while, there
Yeah.
around 1:32.
Yeah.
I can come back and hear y'all. See what I
Alright.
saying? So, honest, wait, so what's coming in 24.
Alright,
Walk,
up to-
driving. Hey,
Yeah, man.
hey, Dano.
Yeah, peeps.
Hey, Yari.
Yeah.
Take your chop later, boy.
Huh? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Later, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Fully active, man.
How you time again?
Done now.
How you time again?
Eh? 12 o'clock. Yeah, 12 now. Yeah, you lead the way, please and thanks. Yeah, man, fully active. You see that? Me have all my hand for my bicycle. But yeah, man, the rest of the year tall. Top of me give him $2. Next, me have a next virgin one so. I think I'm birthday, so I carry one beer. Go link him. You see free? Yeah, man, carry wash over there, so. So active. Yes, active. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, place active, man. Everything active. Only for caterpillar and those stuff. Bounce. Watch your bounce. Fully active, man. A whole heap of video coming out. Whole heap, enough. Video every day. Yes, sir. I think I'm top of one of them China here and buy something if it open. Yeah, man. Forward back on to the Chinese. Oh. Oh, I think I see it. Yeah, that, yeah. Can I get the red one? The red one.
Sit down, black.
Yeah. Yeah, let's,
Collect Rattler.
yeah, Rattler.
Collect Rattler.
What is name?
Collect Rattler.
Yeah, Rattler. How much for it? Yeah, one.
I'm going to drink
Yeah, $3, huh? I just have $1.
$3.
Yeah, man.
Ask your cousin birthday today. Ask your birthday today.
Yeah, man.
You have 45 cents, sir?
No, I don't have any more. Yo, peeps, really, I deal with a tourist lifestyle over here, so yo, if you buy, me have to give $1. If you check it out, amount of $1 what me give away in a real life. But I just say go part of life. As you pray, I don't have a problem with it. But everybody want $1, everybody want cent. I mean, I have whole heap of silver around here. Cause them still deal with scent up here and them still deal with some kind business. So I think I carry them out. So each time them beg, I can hand it to them. Yeah man, now go back there so go check my virgin. Next time you know so today I am earth strong. Yeah man. Yes. Yeah man. What go on now? I go. Fully active. Yeah man.
Cartel buddy there.
Cartel. Turn up. Yeah man. Reach Panenza now. General Earth strong, you know. Yeah man, I'm just grab one of them from China. I'm gonna try it out and make you know what I'm going now. That time is it. Yeah, this year
Today my
man.
birthday.
Yeah man, I know it's your birthday man.
Yeah, let's sing. Sit down here.
Right,
And stop it.
What's him again? What's him?
Look money.
Hey.
Doggy, easy doggy. Peeps me ride out on my bicycle. Here's the pre. Here's the pre. Yeah man, place all I get dark. But me ride out on the bicycle and my general birthday. So I carry one music box go out there. Also me have some liquor. No even some, me have a bottle of coconut rum in so. The general. I can go out there. So I see what them have for them birthday, how them celebrate them birthday. Is it pre? Yeah man. Yeah, I realize so they stay tuned for that. They're from Moya. Alright, I go on there now. Place cool. Yeah man. Active. Is it pre? Yeah man. Video on it. That is it. Yeah, man. See, man. Yeah, one this
Yeah,
one.
you been on the ball.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what go on you? What's it now?
Active.
You called me? What's it now? Your big man thing.
Big
Say
man
cartel.
Yeah.
Cartel, December 31st. Me Escobar. Jamaica. What is now? Bad man thing talk.
Let's go, boys.
Saying?
Yeah,
You know
What is it now?
him.
Blessed be the Most High God.
yeah, man.
Blessed be to the Most High God.
Huh?
God can bless me.
Kingpin.
God can bless me, cleanse me.
Escobar.
Everything I do. Let's say I drink rum or less. Don't worry about that. I just go into a fridge. But I can tell you one thing. I can be the prophet to let them know this New Year,
Open your nose up.
2024,
Open your nose
that I
up.
can guide all our brethren and protect them. I come to the tribe as fucking Jacob, Isaac, all of them.
David.
Joshua, Mountain.
Yeah.
Saying, so what's it now? You're bigger right now. My birthday, what's it now? Yo, what's it now? Hey.
Power!
What's it
To the
now?
people, you know.
Oh, no. Big
Power to the
respect to
people.
what I'm being
Power.
Nestor Runks.
It's a big
Big
man thing, you
respect to
know.
Nestor
Big
Gunk.
man thing,
Jamaica,
though.
we pick them
Yeah.
Runks.
Yeah, a big
Any
man
bad
thing.
man, you see me by Blancs. Me no rub and play boy, me not slide. Me no come boy.
My boy,
Get
my
and
boy.
wild.
This is
My
my
day,
dog.
my early day, but fuck my birthday.
Yes.
I don't give a fuck. I try to make some millions early
Yes.
days. I'm gonna come with 12. They died in the grave. But I ain't got no time to play the niggas, but fuck in the grave. I try to make money, nigga. But money, nigga. OG, nigga, money, nigga. I'm a pretty nigga. I'm super nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. They drink the rum, nigga. Yo, fuck, nigga. Drop us in my pot, nigga. Fuck why not, nigga. For the pros, nigga. For the police, nigga. I'm a stupid nigga. I don't give a fuck. I don't fuck around. Get your fuck stuck. I don't give a fuck. Fuck. You wanna say that? Let me go, man. Let me love myself, man. Real shit, nigga. What is that? You know what I'm saying? Real nigga shit, dog. T.I.U. Yeah? True nigga.
Only go to
Make
get
it T.I.U.
Let's go.
Only God can judge me. What the movie out? I miss my homies. One day, see you on that side. Niggas around there fucking know I don't care. T.I.U.
Who do that now?
True. There's none yet. Java City, nigga. Java City, man. Hey, Barn, stop coming, Barn. Hey, see my boy called Barn? Yeah, they don't spell my boy. See Bougie Banton cousin, know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
He's out, yo, Barn, hold around. Hey, yo, Wagwan, yo.
Wagwan.
Yeah, Bahamas, see it?
Yeah,
Saying we got some 40 on me drink.
And Miss Spring.
Ragga. Sorry, sing. What the shit, nigga?
Yeah, man.
My birthday. Yeah, loving ourselves. Nigga, I have some grass right now. I flip that shit, nigga. Alright, nobody got me pocket.
Oh, yeah.
What is
Flip
this?
the shit. Let's go.
This ain't no money.
Flip the shit. Flip the shit.
Wait,
Flip
get
the
it?
shit.
What's the money, nigga?
Flip
What's the money, nigga?
it.
Ah, yo, fuck, nigga.
Flip it. You
Where
want
money?
to walk?
Hey, yo.
Let's
Let me tell you something, nigga. Hey, I play chess, nigga. I know stake, nigga. Hey, what is that? I play movie.
Alright,
Hey,
then.
I got killers on my team all that. Why? Why? I try to make money. Let's fucking tell my score.
Oh,
You
yeah.
ain't me. I don't fall like Lino.
More life.
My money ain't make yet. Did it make?
No, it ain't
Boy, let's fucking around, nigga.
Yeah,
I need
man.
money. I need money.
Money.
Huh? Pay back me back when you spend me. Is this number? Huh? Pay me back. Pay me back, bro. Where they friends? They pay me. It's in jail. I got my lawyer. I need my money, boy. I need my money. I need a fucking money take me, boy.
No flashback. No
Make
flashback.
money. Make money.
I need my money. Over $200 take me, boy.
money. Make money.
Y'all may be laughing. On God, boy.
Make money.
Need my money.
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 Fucking play on, make me mad, boy.
I definitely did.
You know what
Money.
I tell
Yeah,
you,
this
boy?
is milk. This is milk.
Wait, I the ball environment.
This is milk.
Want me chilling, man?
That's my son.
Yeah, man.
What
Yes.
do you mean, baby? Fucking things, damn it.
Inside.
What is that?
Happy New
Wait.
Yes.
Somebody,
Happy New Year.
Boss.
Can't drink for a minute, baby.
Yes.
I take it in the
Happy
shit,
New
but I
Year.
take it like
You
two.
don't know.
Give me that.
One piece
What's
side
it?
too.
Yes.
Quiet, man.
The Nesco.
Peace and love, you know.
To my
2024.
boy. Big up my
Get a
boy.
blessed year.
You're
you know.
my man,
We tired of saying things, you know.
Yeah, baby.
We can get this shit right.
Okay, baby.
Power to the people.
Active.
Blessed love.
Yeah, I'm Jose, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yo,
man.
kids.
More life.
Fully active, man. I tell you, say, yo.
Yeah, man.
We just there, all the vibes now, the Bahamas, man. I
Yeah,
tell you.
man. See?
Jamaica, yo, peeps, now, yo, the vibe nice now, the Bahamas, man. Nah, like, you see it. More
Power
time,
to the
we need
people,
to
you
come
know.
check it out. Just a passport, you don't know, so you reach Bahamas. The people them over
Make it
here,
by
them
myself,
nice,
I think it's a
them
good
welcome you, you see it, and them just
Yeah,
vibes.
man.
I see them like, yeah,
See
you
you.
see, pray. Yeah,
Mama
man.
need come
For your
to me,
vibes
too.
right, you
I
don't know,
don't
so them are
know.
go welcome you. If your vibes not right,
Yeah, things
them
are
nah
right.
deal with
Yeah,
you,
make
you
it
see
right.
it. Yeah, man, I just say them, man.
Rushing it.
Yeah, you think that's what I tell you?
YouTube style.
Riding.
Yeah, man.
Yes, me there for me brother and German Earth Day strong.
Yeah,
I
man.
like a thing I go on. Up and running in the real life. You say,
You see
don't
it.
say a word.
Yeah, man.
Boom back.
Boom, bang. Yeah, man.
Give him a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah. Oh shit, they don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my dick, I got bad intentions. Make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Peace in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, bitch, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
Look for greatness, the street now safety, no shake it.
Bakay.
I mean, I say, oh, I go now. Fully active. In the Bahamas, I went me there chill. Yeah, man, me there one little yard man party. You see, pre-same like yeah, just a little friend. I celebrating birthday. You see, one forward, same like yard. I there some there right now. See, Jenna there share out my one in a real life. Me I tell us, peeps, I'm so sorry, but me never get to eat the wings and the camera, but it slap weight nice. Me not lie, the nicest food me taste over here so far. And I'm not sure I'm a virgin do it, but me I tell her the nicest food. Me not lie, it's nice. Even my mother taste one of the wings and him say, yo, who do it? And me I say me don't know, you know, but all me know it nice. You see, in a real life. Fully active in a real life. Yeah man, the little party come to an end. Actually, me leave them there still a whole little vibes, but happen where my family say yo, them ready. Cause you know say at the 31st, so you know say New Year's, so you know say them have fireworks and all these stuff. So them say them a carry me one place. Must see run a one place, up a one place, run a one corner there. Must see up a PI, pre. Yeah man, up a Paradise Island up there, so me a go. So just stay tuned. You're not gonna see most of the video. You're still in our next video. So just make sure say you subscribe where you can enjoy it. Enjoy the nice fireworks. It was a nice fireworks at Paradise Island. Me not lie, whole heap a nice thing up there. So just subscribe to the channel and stay tuned if you enjoy the next video where I come out. In a real life. And if you didn't tell your friend yet about my channel, now is the time. Remember, tell a friend if you tell a friend. Everything active. But if I way now, I drive go PI, you know what I mean? So me just show you a little clip. You know what I mean? Yo, Bahamas beautiful when I drive all of the night. Look at this. This is just the start, peeps. Me have whole heap a night clip. Yo, the place pretty. Yeah man, the place pretty. Me not lie, the place pretty in a real life. So just do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend if you tell a friend. Everything active. Me a full joy myself in a real life.